Hey, what's up everybody? It's Forrest here with Green Care here in Arkansas. Today I'm going to be working on putting together the Ballard Catch Pro. Today where I live, it's a little bit, the weather's not the greatest. It was raining a minute ago, and so when I came out to mow, it was raining, so I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and get this project done. There's a lot of different affiliate codes you can use. I just use Brian's 10 from Brian's Lawn Maintenance. Go check out his channel too. Saves you 10% on your order, and it helps support their channel. So there's the top door, so when you empty it, this door will just pop right off. And here's the front piece with the logo on it. This looks like the piece that mounts on top of the mower, and then it hangs off. It's got that hole in it. I think I remember seeing that. Yeah, this thing is pretty beefy. And then this right here, we'll be careful with. I also ordered the dust cover for it. Comes with all the screws to hold it on, bolts. And that's the cover. In the instructions it says when you put this together to hand tighten these, and then after you get it all put together to tighten it down with a wrench. So on this diagram you have to pay attention because some of the holes it doesn't want you to put the pieces in yet, because you still have to add the mounting bracket to be able to mount it on your mower onto this. Then we also have to put this piece in the last hole right here. It's just a kit I keep in the truck. The actual socket set. It's a 1/2 inch. that piece done. All right, now that we got it all put together, we're gonna put the cover on it, the dust cover. Alright everybody, so I've got that all put together. The only thing left will be to do the mounting brackets, and I'll do that as well, and I'll show you guys that. But this thing's all put together. It's actually a lot heavier than I thought it would be. I thought because it was aluminum, I thought this thing was going to be pretty light. I mean, that thing weighs a good 40-50 pounds probably. I mean, it's got some decent weight to it, that's for sure. I really like that though. It makes me feel more secure with it. So I'm excited. We're gonna get this put on there, and we'll see you guys in a bit. All right. So Ballard sends you 2 different pieces. When you order it, you need to plug in the information for what type of mower you have, the year, make, and model, those types of things, and then they'll send you the correct corresponding bracket. So this is the bracket that they sent me. Basically, it's going to mount on here just like this. And then they also send you this extra one, and this is so you can mount it on your trailer, enclosed or open, in order to be able to put it on there when you're not using it, so it doesn't take up so much space in your trailer and things like that on the mower when it's on the trailer. And I think it also has the capability of even locking when you put it on. So the way that you're going to put this on here is you have to kind of measure it out and determine exactly how far down it needs to go each way, and it also includes spacers if you need to raise it or anything like that. So. So the actual bit that I'm drilling with, this larger one, this is a 1/4 inch bit. So it comes in a separate bag with all of the hardware that goes with the actual mounting bracket. And I think what I'm going to do, you'll go washer and nut. We'll go from the bottom on top. And then the top one has a nylon washer. So 7/16 socket, I've got that to tighten it down, and I'm actually just going to use that on my 1/4 inch impact. And then I've also got a set of ratcheting right here. I need 7/16. That thing's on there super secure. It's awesome. Alright, so now with the Ballard Catch Pro assembled, this front lug just slides directly into that hole, just like this. And then the back simply rests directly on there just like that. And that's all you have to do in removal. Super simple. Installation. Takes a little bit getting used to. They do make the tolerances on that fairly tight so it's not wobbling around. I mean, this thing is super secure. That deck, I mean, it's solid. I am super pumped with this product. And I'll be making another video soon of me out there testing this so you guys can see exactly what that's like. And even some more cleanup videos to come. Alright everybody, thanks for sticking with me watching this video today. And there's actually another video out now of somebody putting together the Ballard Catch Pro. It's actually Dirt Monkey Stanley Genetics. So if you follow his channel, you have already seen this video more than likely, but if not, go check out his channel as well. It's a super great video, super informative. And any of these products, there's a lot of affiliation codes, like I said. Brian's 10 has one. Stanley Dirt Monkey has one. His is just Dirt Monkey, and Brian's is just Brian's 10. No apostrophe or anything. But thanks for tuning in with me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And always remember, like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you soon.